How to fix Apple gift card not working. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, today I'll guide you on how to troubleshoot and resolve the problem of Apple gift cards not functioning properly. This issue may arise due to various reasons. Firstly, ensure that you're entering the code correctly and the code begins with the appropriate letter. Once you have verified these aspects, confirm that Apple servers are operational, and you can check this by visiting social media platforms like Twitter, which is currently referred X. Search for relevant information and trends related to Apple servers. If you notice any issues being discussed, in such cases, do not hesitate to reach out to the Apple customer support. And if you search for Apple customer service, you'll find their contact number in their help page. Give them a call and inform them about the issue with your gift card. And if the card has not been activated, kind of messages being displayed. And if you see that message, then your card might not have been activated by the retailer who sold the card to you. So the best option is to go back to the retailer and try to solve it with them. And if you can't read the code on the back of your card because it is scratched or damaged, you can contact the customer support of Apple as well. So this was all about how to fix the Apple Card not working. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.